Budding Kinder. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and select all notifications. Hi buddies, welcome to Budding Kinder. Today we are going to unbox this Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. Let's start. This is a Christmas edition. It contains 24 gifts. You will also get these all characters. You can start from December 1st till Christmas. There are 24 slots containing 24 minifigures. I'm going to open number wise. Now let's see what's inside box number 1. Oh, it looks like a spaceship. The instructions to build the minifigures are given in each slot here. I'm going to build the minifigures using these instructions. Looks like a spaceship. Now I'm going to open slot number 2. It looks like a vehicle. Called Kylo Ren's shuttle. It has 2 wing-like structures to make it fly. Now I'm going to open slot number 3. It looks like a fighter. Let's build. He is called Stormtrooper with a gun. The helmet looks like this. Under the helmet is a face. You can open and close the helmet. And it also has a gun. I will get you. Now let's open slot number 4. It looks like a gun. Yeah. Gun. You can move the gun like this and like this. Pew, pew, pew. Now let's open slot number 5. Looks like a spaceship. This vehicle is called X-Wing. It's called X-Wing because it has an X. And it has 4 wings. It can shoot. Pew, pew, pew. And it can hold 1 person. Now let's open slot 6. It It looks like something. Its name is Stormtrooper Clone Vehicle. Now let's open slot number 7. Oh, Chewbacca with a fire. It's Chewbacca with a piece of meat and fire. Yum nom nom nom. Yummy chicken. Now let's open slot number 8. It's a scenery. It's a scenery from the movie Star Wars. Now let's open slot number 9. It's Luke Skywalker. Here's Luke Skywalker, and you can change his normal face into a angry face. Now let's open slot number 10. It looks like a machine.
See guys, see.
Now let's open slot number 11. Looks like a shooting robot. You can move it like this and move this like this. Now let's open slot number 12. It's Imperial Gunner. Here's Imperial Gunner on his face looks like this. And he also has a gun. Pew pew. The remaining slots will be opened in the next video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel.